In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion charts, and we'll cover everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to maximize its capabilities, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials of incorporating charts into your workspace, helping you visualize your ideas and data effectively. Let's start by opening Notion. If you're not familiar, Notion is an excellent tool for organizing notes, managing projects, and visualizing data. It's versatile, user-friendly, and powerful, providing incredible flexibility to suit both personal and professional needs. So log into your account and navigate to your dashboard. Once you're in, the next step is to create a new page or open an existing one. This page will serve as the foundation for your chart. Simply click on the plus button to add a new page if you don't have one yet, or select an existing page from your sidebar. This is where you'll draft your data and charts. Before creating any chart, it's essential to have the right type of data ready. Ensure that your page contains numeric or categorical fields, as these are crucial for meaningful charts. Numeric fields are great for representing quantities, while categorical fields categorize your data into distinct groups. Make sure you've entered this information accurately, as it forms the basis of your chart. Now, let's move on to enhancing your data. One useful tool at your disposal in Notion is the formula property. Adding a formula property to your page is straightforward and can significantly enhance how you visualize data. With it, you can create a visual bar, which helps in making data comparisons clearer and more intuitive. To do this, select Add a Property on your page, choose Formula from the drop-down menu, and tailor your formula to suit the relationships you're exploring. This step transforms plain data into a visually engaging format, making trends and insights easily identifiable. By following these steps, you can turn any Notion page into a dynamic charting dashboard, allowing you to gain deeper insights and present your data more effectively. As you navigate through Notion, remember that practice is key. Experiment with the formula property, try different chart types, and explore various data sets. The more you familiarize yourself with these features, the more adept you will become at creating comprehensive, visually appealing charts. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on using Notion charts. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of Notion and other productivity tools. Happy charting, and I look forward to seeing how you use these skills to transform your data presentations.